Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri katanat korbari ka Sorkar Jilla uba la kemen remboy. Ulaong bakarukom kabadai banbut na benta bantung DGP Thamai kalasdang bat na kaliang ka Sorkar Jilla ka Jied uba Biang na Kiba Biang tam na padeng ki laingot ki IPS officer kumbala pha iki kerteng sya ka Sorkar Jilla da ka Union Public Service Commission. Haba kinong thok khubor ki kali na u hakas ngi balay ka khan riu tarik urampang arajar apawar uba remboy ulaong baka Sorkar Jilla kan pet bahan na barok kiliang haswa ban shemya karai yano onthong na padeng ki laingot ki IPS officer ki baka UPSC kalapha sya ka Sorkar Jilla. Ki IPS officer ki badai na ka Assam Meghalaya kada kila sya Jied haka UPSC bandan haka thop ka balaingon haka baka Sorkar Jilla kan yok ban Jied uway na padeng ki laingot bantung haka kerdan DGP. Ki laingot ki baka UPSC kalabo hakathom kilong Mukesh Agrawal bat ke Vising Dio ki badai ki IPS officer jong usnam syajar khandai spa prapo khandai bat UL Ram Bishnoi ubadai u IPS officer jong usnam syajar khandai spa khandai pawai haga jingshi sya kila don sangut ki IPS officer ki balapha sya ka UPSC kenthopru ya ka special DGP ka Jilla kong ida shisha nongrang ka IPS officer jong usnam syajar khandai spa khandai pawar pat US Narayan Singh ubadai ru officer jong usnam syajar khandai spa khandai pawai Henry ka UPSC kala Jied ikitai ki laingon da ka ba pensyong nongrem kat kum usnem bakilas dang ban syakri kum ki IPS officer hapo ka Assam Meghalaya IPS kada.
We from the government have not taken any decision yet, and it will take some time. Appointment of DGP will take some time. To see, we have to find among the three who is the best. So we from the government, we will do whatever necessary that because this is a high office. So we have to choose carefully for interest of the state, for interest of the law and order in the state, for interest of the governance in the police itself. For the state taking consideration, the prevailing situation is the state taking consideration also the unique nature of our state in Meghalaya. All formalities will be done in the appointing of the DGP. So as of now, since we have not started the process of appointing DGP, have already started because we have sent a name to UPSC, UPSC has to comment. So we will be analyzed and then we will inform you at appropriate time. Because the UPSC has recommended 3 names and we will choose from that 3 names, one from that 3 names, and we will choose the best.